Are you guys struggling with a stuck ring on your swollen finger? Don't worry, you can get it off without damaging your jewelry or hurting yourself. I'm Jay, and this is Jay's How-To channel. Okay, so first, let's not drop the ring down the garbage disposal. Now, let's use some dental floss. Cut a length of dental floss long enough to wrap around your finger several times. Then, some tape, and let's tape this to my fingernail. Okay, let's wrap this around my finger. I'm going to speed this up for you guys. Let's twist this ring around and thread this floss underneath the ring with this cute little screwdriver. And now we're coming in with some dish soap. You can use cooking oil or dish soap. I prefer dish soap. Rub this around with my pinky so I can keep a grip with the floss. Watch how well this works. Remember, if you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to seek professional help. And there you go. The ring came off. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. Click that like button for me, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel.